Hello and welcome back to CanvaBestie. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background off any photo in Canva for free. Let's jump in. So the first thing you want to do is open up a canvas. I'm just going to open up a presentation for the sake of this video, but you can use any size canvas you want. So when you're in your canvas, you want to either upload your picture or you can pick from Canva's elements. You can go into photos. I'm going to search for rainbow cupcake here because that's the picture I want. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick the one that I want. Okay, this one is cute, so I'm just going to size it where I want it. It doesn't really matter because you're taking away the background. And for the Pro version, all you have to do is select it and select background mover, and it flawlessly takes away the background. One of the awesome features of Pro that I use all the time to make designs. And as you can see, when you zoom in, it doesn't affect the quality at all. You can still see all the little ridges on the sprinkles, and then you can easily pop that on any other background for an advertisement or anything like that. Now, before I show you the free way, I just want to highlight some of the other tools Canva Pro has. As you can see, when I removed the background, it left behind some of the background. So you can manually go in and delete this. All you have to do is select your picture, go up to eraser in the top menu and click pixel eraser. And you can change the size of your brush and manually delete the background now, which is good for cleaning up images. They also have the restore tool, which you just click it and it does the same thing, but it brings back the background. So if you erase too much, you can easily get it back. And finally, the last cool feature with Canva Pro is the magic eraser. So you want to select your image, select magic eraser, and you can just brush over what you want, delete it from the picture, and Canva will delete it. Rid of this butterfly here, so I'm just going to make my brush smaller and then brush over what I want gone, which is the butterfly. And when I'm done, I'm going to press erase. And there you have it. It completely erased the butterfly from your picture. Now for the free version, you want to upload your photo, go over to uploads, upload files. I already have my photo uploaded, so I'm just going to select it, bring it onto the canvas, and I'm just going to size it down just to make it a little bit easier for the background removal app to work. I'm just going to size it down without distorting the image. I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to go over to apps here on the side, and I'm going to search background eraser, and I want to pick the app with the pink calculator on it. So go ahead and select that. And then you want to select your photo and then select erase background. There, it's all finished, and as you can see, it takes the background off just as good as Pro does, but for free. And there you have it. That is the tutorial for removing any background off any image in Canva. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.